wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Another day of rain and gloom, and you just don't want to get out of bed on those days, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And when I woke up this morning, I realized I don't think I did a Let's Talk New Makeup launches last month. If I did, they weren't memorable launches because I really don't remember doing one. So we're gonna do one today. So if you guys want to know what new stuff is coming out, what you should be excited about, especially because the Sephora sale is coming up soon, let's go. So if you guys didn't hear, they already announced the dates of the Sephora sale. I think it starts like April 4th, something like that. If I pass by it, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, there might, oh, actually, it's the first thing I see. Where's the dates? Okay, so for Sephora Rouge, it starts, is that a 14th? The 14th. For VIB, it's the 18th, and then Insider is also the 18th. You guys already know, 20% off, 50% off, 10% off. And Sephora collection will be 30% off, which, baby, do not sleep on Sephora's collection, okay? Because Sephora's actual makeup is really good. So let's see if there's any new things you should be checking for this sale. Okay, new collection, Jill Stewart, limited edition. Each lipstick will launch in a different month inspired by a bouquet of birth flowers in full bloom. Is there a price for them? No. Okay, looking at them, no, the packaging, I'm not gonna say it. And then the actual lipstick shades, it's just, there's a lot going on and not in a good way. Let's move on. Available now in Europe. New Brightening CC Luminizer by Terry. That's the name, by Terry. Limited edition hydrating highlighter provides an instant glass skin glow, sheer finish, integrated blending brush, long-lasting radiant sheen infused with 96% skincare ingredients, blurs and diffuses imperfections to fight dullness. I actually don't like pens like that. It looks like highlighter, not like a concealer pen. So I already don't like concealer pens, and I don't really wear a highlighter like that anymore. So I'm just gonna keep scrolling. But it's 33 pounds if you're wondering the price. And of course, we couldn't get far or do a video like this without mentioning a ColourPop launch. So they have collabed with The Legend of Korra. Packaging is very cute, looks very on brand. The colors inside also look very on brand. At this point, you buy a ColourPop collection because you like Korra, you like Star Wars, you like Lizzie McGuire. You get the same quality. If you've tried it once, you've tried it a million times before. It's really just like the colors that are in it, or you like whatever it is they're collabing with. So let's move on. Ooh, something new is about to drop for Makeup by Mario. Maybe liquid blush, that's what I'm hoping for. Could be liquid lipsticks, glosses. From the picture, and what looks like it might be the wand that it's dripping off of, it could be liquid blush. But that shade on the right, I'm gonna need that to be some type of gloss for the lips. The nude lip you could do with that, I'm intrigued on what that is. But I'm gonna guess that it's a gloss. Let me know what you guess it is down below. In Europe, okay, there's a lot of Europe launches. Eyeshadow palette from Essence Cosmetics, says ready for a ride. It's giving Easter. I don't know if they intend for it to give Easter, but that's what it's giving to me. I'm not really the biggest fan of like pastel-y eyeshadows. Let's move on. Okay, new goof-proof brow powder, easy brow filling powder from Benefit Cosmetics. Lightweight, silky soft pressed powder fills in sparse areas for a natural looking matte finish blended brows. Gives brows texture and dimension. It's buildable and blendable and color stays true. Waterproof, sweat-proof, and humidity-proof, smudge-proof in 10 different shades. Available April 13th. You know, I'm more of a brow pencil type of gal, but if you like brow powders, Benefit is really one of the only things Benefit's good for, if we're being completely honest, are their brow products. So if you do like brow powder, it might be something worth checking out, but I am going to just scroll on. Okay. New Hella Thick Volumizing Mascara from Fenty Beauty. Ultra Black Longwear Formula. The extreme volume creates a dramatic lash effect, sweat, humidity, and transfer resistant. Tapered brush and full-bodied formula to coat and curl and lift lashes, $19. Now, Fenty's last mascara that they came out with was a good mascara. And y'all know if I'm saying it's a good mascara, it's a good mascara, because y'all know I don't really care about mascara. It's gonna be black, it's gonna do, well, I mean, they have colored mascara, but if you're looking for black mascara, just put mascara on. Like the whole, it does this for your lashes. It is mascara, okay? Right now, I'm using an e.l.f. mascara, but there's an e.l.f. mascara that I like right now, a Dior, a ColourPop, there's one more. Oh, Lancome. So the prices vary on them, but Fenty did have a good mascara the first time they came out with it, so I'm actually intrigued. On this one, I would at least try this one. Actually, no, I would buy this one because I don't do the whole like testing mascara in the store thing, even with the little wands. And then for the people who be testing like mascara and stuff like that with the actual testers in the store, God is watching. New, gosh, it gets on my nerves. New Play Lip Shield SPF 30 Sunscreen Lip Balm in 3 different scents. Okay. Oh, it was looking like deodorant. I was like, huh? SPF lip balm for daily wear, replenishes dry, cracked, and dehydrated lips back to being feel good smooth with coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, and avocado oil. $10 each. $10. You know, I have a lot of lip balm, but I have SPF lip balm. I'm gonna keep scrolling. I can't get the idea of deodorant out of my head. Available now. We really wanted to see Power Grip Putty Primer. Here is the new Power Grip Slimer. e.l.f. Cosmetics, part of the Sticky Shop merch collection inspired by Power Grip Primer. So, e.l.f. has launched a slime. Limited edition intermediate jelly cream slime toy with a gorgeous teal color and super cute dolphin confetti for $6. It lists what else the collection comes with. It's slime. It's not like actual makeup, and e.l.f. made sure to say, do not put that on your face. It's not makeup, it's slime. So if you want to play with slime, or if you have children that you buy slime for, I don't know about right now, like I haven't heard much about slime, but I know like 2019, 2020, somewhere around there, slime was like crack for children. New Top Secrets Instant Tone Up, an all-in-one primer, color corrector, and sun protector SPF 50 from YSL Beauty. It provides a flawless skin tone while optimizing the pre-makeup routine. The pearls act instantly while powerful natural origin active ingredients improve skin quality in the long term, reduces the visibility of imperfections, and brightens the complexion. The skin tone is corrected and the skin feels fresh and radiant in 3 colors. Is there a price? I don't see a price here. I haven't really tried much from YSL Beauty. Like I've tried a couple things that I like here and there, but enough to pick some of this up. I don't know. Let me see what green, rosy, lavender. If I did, it'd probably be the rosy one. But this is what I did the Danessa Myricks video the other day, and people were like, "Are you gonna try the new Pat McGrath bronzers, the new Pat McGrath?" And I'm like, "What are you guys talking about?" So apparently they have the Divine Bronze collection from Pat McGrath includes 8 shades of bronzers that retail for $39. I mean, baby, I didn't know about it when y'all were asking, but of course I'm gonna try the Pat McGrath bronzers. And I guess you guys did say you wanted a full face of Pat McGrath, so I'll probably just do that at once. But absolutely, I'll be trying these bronzers. It'll probably have to be that last shade, which auntie. But I mean, it could be the second to last. You might have to swatch it, see it in person and whatnot, but we'll definitely be trying it. Yeah, it might have to be that last shade, bronze mahogany. Ula is on a roll, and we have all been waiting for this one. Say hello to the new Banana Bright Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30 from Ula Henriksen. The winning combination of broad spectrum mineral SPF 30, vitamin C, and banana powder inspired pigments to protect and correct your complexion, brightening dull, uneven skin tone over time and preventing future visible sun damage. Retails for $35. Ula Henriksen is not a brand to sleep on. I like their stuff. I like the vitamin C brightener they've got the like an eye version and a moisturizer version. Now they got it in the sunscreen. I don't know what it is. Like when something about sunscreen, I just be here to try it. Even though I have sunscreens that I like, I mean, so will I pick this up? I probably will. Yes, and summer's coming, so. Available now, Skin Finish Sunstruck Matte Bronzer from MAC Cosmetics. Matte bronzing powder adds warmth and depth to your complexion, formulated with our marshmallow cushion blend for a silky texture that always looks smooth and refined. Long wearing, lasts up to 24 hours and features waterproof and sweat and humidity resistant coverage for $35. 10 shades. Yeah, I try. Actually, these bronzers compared to the shade range that we just saw, I'm just saying, but yeah, I would try this. Actually, I will try this. Okay, MAC. Okay, cause I see some options, but you know what? Okay, yes, I will try the MAC bronzer. Revealed new Glow Wish Bright Light Hydrating Sheer Vegan Concealer from Huda Beauty. A lightweight illuminating concealer that melts into the skin, packed with skin-loving ingredients. Bright light illuminates, hydrates, and rejuvenates under the eyes for a natural skin-like finish. $27, 15 shades coming soon. I did try the tinted moisturizer or foundation that they came out with this, and like this is the concealer version. You know, it was okay. I didn't really wear it much after I tried it, so would I try this one? I feel like I probably still would, because it's not like I'm really disappointed with stuff that I get from Huda Beauty. That one just, you know, I prefer the actual foundation compared to this, but I think that was supposed to be like a tinted moisturizer with skincare, because you know Huda also does have, or actually now that I think about it, I haven't heard much about the skincare line from Huda in like recent months, years actually, but it was supposed to be like a skincare makeup infused type product, and I don't really like products like that. Like I got skincare and I got makeup, leave it alone. You gotta mix the two all the time. So I think this might be the same thing. I would still try it, because why not, but I'm gonna go rush to try it, probably not. Available now, Traceless Soft Matte Concealer from Tom Ford. Melds a hydrating skincare ingredient with imperfection blurring makeup technology with hyaluronic acid for fast acting up to 12-hour hydration, and spherical powders to ensure silky smooth seamless application for comfortable non-drying wear. $60 each, 20 shades. Yeah, I'd try it. I know I just said what I said about like skincare infused and stuff like that, but for some reason I want to try it. So yes, I'll be trying this concealer. I don't really know if I can justify right now why I want to try it, but I'm gonna try it. What is this? Available now, Beyond Wear Perfecting Matte Foundation from Burberry. Are those all the shades? Liquid foundation with 24-hour active wear, long-lasting and weather protection. It's breathable, lightweight formula, allows buildable coverage from medium to full, evens out the complexion, blurs the appearance of pores, and helps protect the skin from environmental factors, leaving it smooth with a natural matte finish. Retails for $60, comes in 24 shades. So yes, that's probably all the shades that it comes in. I'm gonna scroll on. Okay. Available now in stores. Wet n Wild has collaborated with Sesame Street. Y'all see the collection. I think sometimes you might get me with like packaging and stuff like that, but for the most part, I think I'm kind of over the whole like cutesy packaging, because like, let's be for real, like what am I doing walking around with a Big Bird, whatever that is. What is that? Oh, it's a powder. Oh, it's a loose setting powder with Big Bird packaging on it. It's giving kidsy, you know, it's giving, we don't go to Claire's anymore. Now the actual like makeup companies are giving products that you can buy for your kids. So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll on. Available now, this just went viral. Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Treatment Concealer Brightener, 160 pink from Maybelline, retails for $10.99. If you've been wearing makeup for a long time, at some point you tried the Age Rewind from Maybelline. I guess it now comes in a pink shade that's supposed to be like a brightener as well. I'm a little intrigued. I'm not gonna go get it. I don't know, but I might. Let me know if you tried it. It says it's gone viral, so I'm assuming at least one person watching this video has tried it, but let me know. I think I saw this on Sephora's website. Say, I don't know how you pronounce this brand. I tried the bronzer that they had. It was a good bronzer, but they have a new glowy super skin lightweight hydro bounce serum foundation, 36 shades of medium buildable coverage. Retails for $40, comes in 36 shades. I'd try it. 1, I try foundations over here in general. 2, their shade ranges are usually pretty good, like across the board. Hydro Bounce serum foundations. I usually don't care for serum foundations, but I would try this. I would. Let me know if you want a foundation on this. Is it available yet? Yes, it is. All right, let me know. Oh, I saw this the other day. Born This Way Healthy Glow SPF 30 Moisturizing Skin Tint from Too Faced. Retails for $42 each. Comes in 18 shades. Oil-free, nourishing serum foundation with up to 24-hour wear and hydration. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. Because Too Faced complexions, don't sleep on them. Y'all know people love the concealer. The concealer I might buy again. I do this all the time, where I buy it and then later on I'm like, I don't really need it. Then I'm like, let me buy it again. But the foundations, the powders, the setting sprays, it's them eyeshadows that you catch in the sci-fi for me, and those blushes. But I'm intrigued to try this. So yes, I would be purchasing that. Okay, interesting wrap up this month. I wasn't really impressed by much, but you know, the seasons come and go with when things are exciting, and then when brands kind of slow down a little bit. At one point, we were asking brands to stop launching something every other week. They listened, so can't really complain about that. It's just things that y'all are launching when you do decide to launch are, yeah. So there were things in this video that I said I want to pick up. Let me know if I went over anything that you want a specific video on, or if I didn't mention something that you want a specific video on. Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me know if you plan to pick up anything that you saw in this video. All of that down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.